Hi loves, so as you guys can see from the title, today we're going to be deeply detoxing our scalp using the CurlSmith Detox Kit. Now I do have other videos on this is not the first time that I use it, but I figured I'd share with you guys a full CurlSmith scalp detox and wash and go routine. So first we're going to start off with the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. So you want to make sure that you apply this product to soaking wet hair, which is why I went ahead and wet my hair beforehand. So first we're going to start off by applying the product directly to our scalp and giving ourselves a little massage in the process. We're going to let that sit and then work the rest of the product throughout the lengths of our hair. Now this product has a lot of slip, so it allows you to finger detangle in the process as well. So take your time, work this product into your scalp and hair and leave it on. Do not rinse it out. So next up, as you can see, we're going to follow up with step 2, which is the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. Now we're going to apply this directly on top of the primer. And what the primer was used for was to protect your scalp, while this scrub is going to go ahead and clarify it. So you're going to take some of this product and massage it onto your scalp and hair. It's supposed to help break down any dirt and buildup you may have had. And then we're going to follow up and rinse it thoroughly. So this is actually the first time in a very, very long time that I use a scalp massager. This one was actually sent over to me by CurlSmith. And when I'm telling you that this might be a new staple to my shampooing routine, it definitely will be. When I used to use it at first, when I was transitioning to natural hair, I felt that the scalp massager would actually tangle up my roots. But for some reason, I don't know, I guess maybe now that my hair is all one unison curl pattern, or maybe I'm just doing it differently this time, I find that the scalp massager, it just works so nicely, and I feel like it really does deeply cleanse my scalp. So this is definitely going to be something I use in my routine moving forward. And lastly, we're going to finish up with step 3, which is the postbiotic calming conditioner. I love how this makes my scalp feel. So first you're going to go ahead and apply a generous amount to your hair and your scalp. Now, I like to actually massage this into my scalp and then just let it sit in my hair for about 1 to 2 minutes. This is going to help rebalance the moisture and pH levels of your hair and scalp. So then once you apply it to your hair, you can go ahead and detangle and then rinse it thoroughly. And for a little razzle dazzle, I followed up with the Hydro Cream Soothing Mask. This makes your scalp feel so amazing, and after all of this cleansing and detoxing, this is the perfect finisher for this routine. So I went ahead and followed up with this mask. It is so moisturizing, leaves my curls so defined and soft, so I couldn't have thought of a better mask to use. So once I've added the product throughout the perimeter of my hair, I am going to section off my hair and add a little bit to each section as well. We're going to go ahead and try a new product here, which I'm really excited about. I went ahead and used the Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. Now I've had this foam for so long and I have not used it. So I was really excited to try it out this time. I don't know what made me try it, but I'm happy that I did. But as you guys saw, for the first section, I added 2 pumps and that was way too much. You guys can see that it has a little bit too much product on it. I went ahead and worked with it anyways, but for the next section, I ended up adding just 1 pump. And then as you guys saw, I went ahead and used the In Shower Style Fixer, which is the Stronghold Gel that's gonna go right on top of all the other products. So first, I'm gonna rake all the products in, then I'll brush it through and repeat the same exact process throughout the rest of my hair. As you guys saw, I noticed that I applied a little bit too much product, and this is a good learning moment. Whenever I feel that I applied too much product, you can actually see it just sitting on my hair. I literally had way too much foam. So just 1 pump of foam, and I only applied the leave-in as needed. You could kind of just feel out your hair and see how it feels. For some reason, when you add product to the perimeter of your hair, some parts of your hair get it more than others. So just go ahead and add product as you feel is needed, but don't add more than 1 pump of foam per section. You don't want it to be too foamy, and you don't want products to just sit on your hair. And voila, these are my wet curls, and I was really excited to see how they were gonna dry, but I had a really good feeling about it because I had softness, I had holds, I had definition. I was very hyped. Okay guys, so these are my final results from using that CurlSmith combo, and let me tell you guys, this might be officially my new favorite CurlSmith combo. I don't know what told me, hey, go ahead and try that foam, and I'm so glad that I did, because can we take a moment? I've used that combo before. I've used the Featherlight cream with the in-shower style fixer, and it's worked for me in the past. I love it. It's actually one of my favorite combos, but something about adding that foam gave my curls like a little bit more added, I don't know, it's like fluffy, it's like bouncy, it's soft. So I'm really glad that I decided to, you know, play around with the products. What I do love about CurlSmith, and I say this all the time, is that you can literally try any products together and they work really, really well. So I like the fact that they all mix well together. You could kind of come up with your own concoction with all the products that they have and just see what works best for your hair. And I'm pretty set idea of like what typical products I use when it comes to styling my hair, but now I'm definitely gonna start trying more and more and mix different ones together to see what I get, because I mean, these results, like, and this is the next day, by the way. This is the next day. It doesn't look much different than yesterday. If anything, I feel like today's a little bit more fluffy, which is a good thing because it's still soft and defined, so I'm definitely a fan. So yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked my wash day routine. The CurlSmith Detox Kit is actually one of the first few products that I've tried from CurlSmith, and it has been a part of my routine since I've gotten it. So I want to say I have a little bit over 8-9 months using the kit, and I absolutely love it, especially when I need like a deep clarifying, like just want to make my scalp feel amazing. Like, that is my go-to kit. I have loved it and it lasts a long time. So yeah, with those products, a little does go a long way. You don't have to go too overboard. Coming from someone who's very heavy-handed, just know these kits last quite some time. But I do like to use it at least 1 to 2 times a month. 2 times is pushing it. I typically just use it once a month. But yeah, so whenever I feel like I need a deep clean, because you guys know that I use very thick products in my hair, especially like my gels, I need to like really make sure that I remove all that buildup from my hair. If not, my hair is always gonna look limp and just flat. So I can always rely on that detox kit to like really save me. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I will go ahead and tag all the products that I use down below in the description box, so go ahead and check them out if you're interested. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.